Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need the base Piggy Morph and access to the Morphs map, plus the required currency. Once ready, enter the correct lobby and position yourself near the spawn area. Make sure you are host or in a cooperative group for higher spawn rates. Start the round immediately and avoid distractions. Early actions determine spawning. Move to the designated chocolate spawn point and hold interaction to trigger the morph combination process. Now you execute the complex middle steps. Once you have the in-round item, approach the morph station, typically a cauldron or altar, and make sure a teammate stands on the activation pad to stabilize the spawn. Interact with the station while holding the chocolate token. This signals the server to check conditions. Wait through the animation and keep area clear of enemies so the sequence completes. If done correctly, you will see visual chocolate. To finish, open the morph menu and equip the chocolate piggy once the option appears. You should be able to test it immediately. If the morph fails to register, restart the map and repeat the activation sequence, because most failures are timing or spawn glitches. Make sure to check your ping and turn off extra scripts or mods that interfere with interactions. Latency and plugins are the top reasons the morph won't spawn, so address them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.